Today we're going to install the replacement Bank 2 oxygen sensor 1 on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. Here is the oxygen sensor part number, AC Delco OEM Direct Fit. Let's go ahead and crawl underneath. Should already have our vehicle secured with a jack stand. We just made a video of how to remove it. Now we're going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to go ahead and remove this little plastic clip here, because I already have it right there. So I'm going to just slide it onto that. After I plug in the oxygen sensor, we're not going to go through the front, we're going to go through the rear here on the firewall. Slide it all the way in and plug it into the hole. There it is. And secure it down. Alright, I'm going to be using the 7/8 oxygen sensor OEM removal tool with an adapter, because this one is for 3/8 and I'm using half. Then swivel and a small little half extension. We're going to go ahead and come in through the rear yet again. We're going to go ahead and plug in our socket. There it is. Get it all nice and lined up. Then we have the extension hanging there. We'll use the ratchet to secure it. Alright, and there it is. So let's go ahead and secure this down. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and slide my pigtail right into the little clip there and secure it down. There it is. Let's go ahead and plug in the pigtail for the oxygen sensor right in there. Alright, there it is, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it with this little safety lock. Sweet. There it is. That's not coming off anymore. It ain't going anywhere. And that is how you install Bank 2 Oxygen Sensor 1 on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.